I thank my stars. I thank myself. I thank the whole universe. I thank God that I took the decision that I took. कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता. I've got butterflies in my stomach permanently. Elephants, butterflies, every sort of animal, all insects are in my stomach right now. Hey, I think I've won the trophy. I think it's over now. I really appreciate it, man. This is like the best thing ever.
Hey guys, this is Nawaz Kochra from Team Miss Malini, and I am in conversation with Pratik Sehajpal. He is the person who cashed on the opportunity of joining Big Boss season 15 at the grand finale of Big Boss OTT, and I am telling you it was one of the best decisions that Pratik made, I feel, on the show. So first of all, Pratik, I would welcome you to Miss Malini. How are you? How are you feeling?
I'm doing amazing. I think I'm feeling better than the best. And how about you? How are you feeling?
Very well, yeah. Going crazy with interviews, but going on.
Yeah, life goes on.
Exactly. So tell me one thing, Pratik. Do when you look back at the decision that you took or at the OTT finale of joining the main season, what comes to your mind? Like, what do you look back and think that, oh, you did the right thing, or you think that you should have taken a try and carried on?
I thank my stars. I thank myself. I thank the whole universe. I thank God that I took the decision that I took. I thank God कि मैंने कुछ और डिसीजन नहीं लिया भाई. मैंने जो लिया बिल्कुल सही डिसीजन लिया और मैंने एक सेकंड भी सोचा नहीं. I did not even think for a second that what am I doing? If I'm doing something, is it right or wrong? I just took it and I just took it and I'm so proud that I took that decision. I think it couldn't have been better than that.
आपकी जर्नी बिग बॉस ओटीटी में बड़ी धमाकेदार रही है. ओके, इट हैज बीन अ फुल पावर जर्नी. वेदर इट वाज प्रतीक सहजपाल का बहुत सारा शेड्स हमने देखा. इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट इज लेफ्ट फॉर अस टू वॉच इन द मेन सीजन नाउ?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that was 40 days. This is like more than 100 something days. So obviously there are a lot more things जो I don't know, which even I don't know about my personality, which will come out, I'm sure. Because अभी see I know myself, but I don't know myself enough कि मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ कब किस situation में, क्योंकि वहाँ पे situations बहुत extreme होती हैं. And when you're in an extreme situation, so you behave. I mean, my instincts are very extreme. My emotions, everything is very extreme. I have accepted a lot of things about me which I did not know before. जो मैंने अभी इस बिग बॉस में अपने बारे में रियलाइज किया. And I think for me also everything is going to be a surprise कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता. So when that situation arises, only then I'll get to know कि भाई मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. It's a surprise for me as well because I feel that this brain is different, this heart is different, and my body is different. Everything is different. So everything is functioning differently. अब कुछ कब क्या हो जाएगा कुछ नहीं पता मेरे को. It's just very I'm very impulsive and whatever comes out emotionally I just do it. My heart tells me to do something and I just do it. I don't even think twice.
Okay, is there anything about season 15 that is giving you jitters right from now?
Everything about this the support from the people, the love from the people, from there to the trophy, everything is like jitters. It's like I'm hallucinating. I'm just living the best life. I'm just living my dream. So I think it is like everything is jitters, man. I've got butterflies in my stomach permanently. Elephants, butterflies, every sort of animal, all insects are in my stomach right now. And it feels great, man, just to be there, just to see that how much people are loving me. And that just means a lot. That is like everything for me. That is why I'm
Okay,
alive.
this time the theme is jungle. Okay,
Yeah.
it is going to be the first initial days are going to be very challenging for all the contestants, where y'all are going to be having a survival kit and y'all have to survive in that particular manner in that jungle. How have you prepared yourself for a situation like that?
I've not prepared for anything, honestly. Whatever comes, comes. Whatever goes, goes. I am gonna be all in, completely all in. Whatever it takes from me, whatever it takes from me, I just know that what doesn't kill me will make me stronger. It has made me stronger in my life till now, all my experiences. That's all I'm gonna say. And nothing can kill me. Only I can kill myself. Nothing else.
Okay. Also, Pratik, you have been a one-man army. that we have seen on Big Boss OTT. Whether it was आप अपना खाना बनाते थे, you were like, I don't want to be a burden on anybody, which was a very good approach. However, do you think that the same approach would work in a bigger setup right now with the main season?
It's not about something working for you or not. It's about how you feel. It's about how I feel, what my heart tells me. If my heart tells me to do this, I'm going to do this. If my heart tells me to do that, I'll do that. I don't care if it, if people are happy with it, if people are being pleased with it. I'm not there to make anyone happy. I'm there to make my family happy, myself happy, and the people who love me happy. And you know what? Honestly, it's ultimately it comes down to one thing कि मेरा दिल जो भी बोलेगा मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कोई क्या सोचे. Genuinely, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा. मेरा दिल अगर मेरे, if my heart tells me that go for it, Pratik, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna give it my all. No matter if it takes my blood, sweat, tears, everything, I'm gonna give my. So works or not, I don't care. I don't care about the. मैंने हमेशा एक बात बोली है कि consequences में मैं विश्वास नहीं रखता. एक बार कर दो चीज, consequences देखी जाएंगी यार. आज तक जिंदगी में देखी है ना, consequences देखे जाएंगे.
Acha. Also, if there is one particular, power that is given to you in the Big Boss 15 house, what would you want that power to be?
I would want that power to be कि all the cameras 24/7, all, even every single camera should be on me every time. So that is like the best power I can have inside the house. चाहे मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, किसी के ऊपर नहीं, सारे कैमरा मेरे ऊपर हो. I think that's the best thing.
Okay, one thing about Big Boss OTT that you loved and you want that same thing to exist even on the main season.
I think it's all right. Anything. मेरे को ऐसा, it's not like I'm not someone who wants. मैं चाहता ही नहीं कि चीजें मेरे लिए ऐसी हों. मैं चाहता हूँ कि चीजें जैसी भी हो, मैं उनके लिए ऐसा हूँ भाई. तुम देख लो अपना, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ. तो चीजें मेरे लिए कैसी भी हो, मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार. चीजें जैसी हैं वो वैसी रहेंगी. मैं जैसा हूँ मैं वैसा रहूंगा. अगर टकराएंगे तो टकरा जाएंगे, और अगर हाथ मिलाएंगे तो देख लेंगे, फिर वो भी देख लेंगे.
So probably what is the plan further? Is there a strategy that Pratik Sehajpal has in mind to rule hearts in season 15?
See, the only way to rule anyone else's heart is to first rule your own heart, to satisfy it, to make it feel that okay, I'm there for you. Whatever you're saying, I'm listening. I'm doing what you're saying, and that is what I've done till now. कि मैं इसको बोलूंगा अपने दिल को कि बेटा मैं तेरे लिए हूं यहाँ पे, मेरी पूरी जान तेरे लिए है. तू जो बोलेगा मैं वो करूंगा. उसके बाद किसी और का दिल मेरा हो या ना हो, बट मेरे को इतना पता है कि मेरा दिल मेरा है, और मैं अपने दिल को ही संभाल के चलना चाहता हूँ. बाकी जिसका दिल मेरे पास आएगा वो आ जाएगा, मैं ले लूंगा. नहीं आएगा तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है यार.
Also, how about meeting Salman Khan?
Salman Khan, to be on that stage with him has been like a dream. It's been like I've always, मैं 15 सालों से बिग बॉस आ रहा है. मैंने हमेशा, मतलब I think I've watched about 12 seasons of Big Boss, और I've sat with my mother, my nani, nana, everyone. I've sat and watched the show with them, and it has been a dream for each and every one of my family member कि मैं वहां पे जाऊं. And from watching it at home to being there, and my family watching me on stage with Salman Khan is a dream come true. People spend their entire lifetimes to meet these big like stars like Karan Johar, like Salman Khan, and being a person जो idolize करता Salman Khan को, to be on that stage with him is like a next level thing, man. It's like a dream come true. I don't even know कि वो दिन में तारे दिखना होता है ना, वो दिख जाएगा मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Because genuinely I really love him, man. And I really appreciate him, and I think that there is a lot of similarities in him and I. I mean, I don't know, मैं अभी एक छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात हो सकती है. But
I was just going to say that you have a vibe like Salman Khan in the house also, on OTT also. I could literally, on OTT, right from the time you came on that OTT stage, I could feel that okay, he has a very Salman Khan vibe.
Okay, so, I think I've won the trophy. I think it's over now. I really appreciate it, man. This is like the best thing ever. I swear. Because मैंने इतना सुना है, as much as I've heard about him, I don't know him personally, but as much as I've seen him, I've heard about him, I just know that he's a great human being who believes in helping others and who falls in love madly when he does. And when he comes out, he does not care. So that's, I think, मेरे को भी बहुत लोगों ने बातें बोली हैं कि भाई तू प्यार करता है तो इतना करता है, और नहीं करता तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं करता. तो मैं ऐसा ही हूँ यार, और मैं एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ अपनी हर चीज को यार. रोता हूँ तो रोता हूँ, हंसता तो हंसता हूँ, and he's an idol to me, and to be like him, to be even close to what he is like a dream. And I'm so grateful to stay, share the stage with him. It's like a dream come true, man. I mean, I'm अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे भरोसा नहीं हो रहा. अभी जब मैं खड़ा होऊंगा उनके साथ तब क्या फीलिंग होगी, मैं क्या बोलूं यार. लाइक इट्स लाइक आई डोंट नो कि बाकी लोग कितना अप्रिशिएट करेंगे इस फीलिंग को, बट मैं बहुत अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ. मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ यार.
Okay, thank you so much, Pratik. I am
थैंक यू.
sure it is going to be fun to see you on the show. I wish you all the best.
थैंक यू सो मच नवाज. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू यार.
Thank you.